Algebra OST Spring 2023 released test items number 6 says an equation is given. What is one solution to the equation? So here's what we're going to do, right? So there is a technique to use that does not involve Desmos, but here I'm going to use Desmos. What I'm going to do is the following. There is only one variable involved. X is the only variable. If I try to type this in all at once into the calculator, watch what's going to happen. 40 equals x squared minus 3x. You see this error message? So it says you cannot just plot. It says an implicit equation. So again, that just means an equation in one variable. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this equation and split it into two equations. We're going to take the left side and the right side and create two separate equations. Y equals 40 is the left side, and y equals x squared minus 3x is the right side. We're going to type these two equations into the calculator. So y equals 40 and y equals x squared minus 3x. Now notice that our original problem did not have y. We added y. So when I look at the graph, I don't care about the y. I'm looking for the x, which in an ordered pair is the first number, right? So I'm looking for where these two graphs intersect, and I'm looking at just the x value. So here's my graph. Notice that I only see one of the pictures, so I'm going to zoom out. Again, I wish they had a zoom out. I mean, I guess I got to use my fingers. Yeah, weird. So I'm just scrolling out. Oh, and there we go. So there's your two graphs, and I'm looking for where they crisscross. If you click on one of them, okay. So I have 2 points, negative 540 and 840. So either of those x values, negative 5 or 8, will work. So I will type in negative 5. You could also put in 8. So this is taking one equation and one variable, splitting it into two equations to make a system, finding where they cross, and only picking the x value.